Welcome back to the channel on a new video. Hello everyone. If you're ready to level up your KDP business and boost your chances of success, then stick around. Today I'm going to share with you a simple yet powerful strategy, which is simply investing just 3 hours a day to grow your KDP business. Now, first off, I'm not talking about working just only a couple of times a week or only when you feel like it. The thing is, consistency is key. So you've got to show up daily, 5 days a week. Now, I don't mean grinding 7 days a week. Rest and relaxation is important for both your mental health and your physical health. So how can we start with this strategy? Here's how you can structure your time. You start by spending 3 focused hours a day creating and publishing books. And the keyword here is focus. So you set clear goals the night before so you know exactly what you'll tackle in the next day. So the 3 pillars of KDP success are, let me break them down into the 3 most crucial areas you need to focus on. Number 1, creating and publishing books. Number 2, researching profitable niches. And number 3, learning and expanding your knowledge. So you can start ranking creating and publishing books as number 1 because it is action beats inaction every single time. Many people get stuck researching and never actually publish anything. Trust me, even publishing in poor niches is better than spending endless hours analyzing data but never hitting publish. Now, here in the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords. So we try to make it easy for you in terms of that SEO optimized keyword research for KDP. So all you would need to do is focus on the action, the art of creating and publishing books in really good trending topics. With that being said, researching viable and profitable niches is still super important, and that is what we focus here on the channel. It can dramatically improve your chances of success. Now, publishing in high demand, low competition niches is actually the sweet spot. Finally, learning and expanding your skills is also important. So mastering KDP doesn't happen overnight. It actually takes a lot of time to learn graphic design, keyword research, typography, and even KDP ads. I've dedicated time to all these areas and it has made a huge difference. So here's an example of how you can use the 3-hour KDP workday to structure your day. So for example, dedicated day from 6 to 8 p.m. you would be creating a interior, and then you would be conducting keyword research and publishing the book. From 8 to 8:30 you would be researching the next niche, and from 8:30 to 9 p.m. you would learn about combining fonts for better cover designs. This is only a recommendation, it's only a suggestion. You can be flexible with it. You can add whatever times that suit you, of course. So having a schedule like this, what it does is it actually takes the guesswork out of your day. You'll sit down knowing exactly what you need to work on, and as a result, no wasted time. Now remember, no specific amount of time guarantees success, but consistency and efficiency will always stack the odds in your favor. So if you're serious about making money online with Amazon KDP, start committing just 3 hours a day to your business. Plan your tasks the night before, focus on the 3 pillars of success that we talked about earlier, and watch your progress skyrocket. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're planning your 3 hours for KDP success. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.